Illuminating an ephemeral sky-high sculpture suspended across a busy downtown intersection featured complex challenges. Privately funded and donated to the Museum of Art for curation and care of its permanent installation, the public art piece stretches an impressive 229 feet at varying heights across its span. The color-changing luminaires highlight the flow of the ever-changing choreography of the kinetic piece. Coordination with the adjacent buildings and approval from the city's Historic Commission were critical parts of the project's success. One judge noted, "The transient quality of light, combined with the temporary nature of the installation, offers a captivating moment of visual delight."